Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will break down the complete Nifty prediction for the day, based on global cues, domestic strength, and the latest support resistance zones. Today's expectation is flat to positive, but we'll analyze whether the market has the strength to sustain this move or not. Global market summary. Let's begin with global cues, because they play a huge role in shaping NIFTY's opening sentiment. US market is up जोर 0.73%, which is a strong positive sign. This indicates risk-on behavior in the US markets overnight, supporting a mildly bullish sentiment for our market. Asian markets. Asia is up जोर 0.13%, showing a flat to slightly positive tone. This usually indicates stability and low volatility in the morning session. European markets. Europe is flat, neither positive nor negative. This means no overnight global risk, but also no extraordinary push. USD-INR. USD-INR is जोर 0.19% flat positive. A slightly strong rupee is good for Indian markets, it supports fee stability. Crude oil. Crude is जोर 0.33% flat positive. This is not a threat level. Crude is still within a comfortable range, so it should not put pressure on Nifty. Conclusion. Global sentiment equals stable जोर slightly bullish. Exactly matching our prediction of a flat to positive Nifty setup. Domestic market sentiment. Domestically, Nifty futures and pre-market volatility suggest a calm opening, with institutional flows remaining balanced. There is no major bad news, and volatility remains under control. This means the market may open inside yesterday's range and look for direction after the first 20 minutes. Technical outlook. Key resistance levels. Now let's come to the key levels, which you must watch carefully. Resistance levels. R1, 26,056. R2 = 131. R3 = 26, 221. R4 = 296. R5 = 354. R6 = 412. These levels are critical because R1 is the first hurdle. R2 and R3 tell us whether the market is trending. R4 R6 come into play only on strong bullish days. If Nifty sustains above R1, we get a clean intraday buy setup. Technical outlook. Key support levels. On the downside, we have strong support zones, support levels. S1, 25,896. S2 = 25, 801. S3 = 25, 721. S4 = 25, 621. S5 = 25, 541. S6 = 25, 466. These levels will hold the market if there is any morning deep. S1 is the first bounce zone. Breaking S1 of May lead to S2 testing. Only below S3 does the market become negative. So any buying opportunity should be taken near S1 or above R1 breakout. Opening expectation. With global cues flat to slightly positive, we can expect a flat opening or a mild positive start of around जोर 20 to जोर 40 points. The market may initially consolidate because global cues are stable but not too aggressive. Intraday bullish plan. For bullish traders. 1. Market must sustain above 25,950, 25,980 zone. Though a breakout above R1, 26,056 can lead to Target 1 R2 = 26, 131. Target 2 R3 = 26, 221. A quick rally is possible if resistance breaks with volume. Intraday bearish plan. For bearish traders. 1. Market must break S1 = 25, 896. Selling opportunity activates below S13. Downside targets. S2 = 25, 801. S3 = 25, 721. Below S3, intraday trend turns weak. Conclusion or final view. To conclude today's prediction. Global cues are flat to positive. Domestic sentiment is stable. Key direction will come after R1 or S1 breakout. Market outlook equals flat to positive. Expect a calm opening followed by a trending move later. If you found this prediction helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share.